What's up everyone, welcome back to another recipe video, and for today we are going to make Dalgona coffee and chocolate. Guys, before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is PM and I am actually one of the editors here at Delish PH. Normally I do edit videos, but for today I will show you my take on how to prepare Dalgona the easiest and the fastest way. Having said that, let's go ahead and check out our ingredients. Fresh milk, sugar, all-purpose cream, coffee, Ovaltine, crushed Oreo, and ice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and follow us on our Facebook page. And if you want to know more recipes, you can always check our website, delishph.com, and you can also find us on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. That's it from me, guys. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Godspeed, everyone. Peace.
Massflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.